Hi there, my name is Ashley Hubbard, and in this video I will teach you easy ways to lose weight without exercise. Let's get into it. And just very quickly, please do make sure you subscribe to this channel. I am uploading videos very often and I don't want you to miss out. This channel is about healthy diet habits for weight loss. Please give the video a like because that tells me you enjoy the content and that motivates me to make more for you. By the end of this video, you will know a few easy ways to lose weight without exercise. Let's get started. Weight loss generally happens when the body expends more calories than it takes in. That means you have to burn off or eat fewer calories than you consume through meals and snacks. Many people cut calories from their diet and burn calories through exercise to achieve weight loss. Exercising on a regular basis is helpful for weight loss but may not be practical for some people due to health conditions, time restraints, or lack of interest. However, research shows that when it comes to weight loss, diet plays a much more important role compared to exercise. It's easier to decrease calorie intake by modifying your diet comparing to burning off a significant amount of calories through exercise. Making a few changes to your diet and lifestyle can help you lose weight safely and effectively without planned exercise. Number 1. Modify your diet by counting calories. Weight loss programs usually require you to modify your total calorie intake. Counting calories and being aware of how much you eat can help you lose weight. In general, you'll want to cut about 500 to 750 calories daily to lose about 1 to 2 pounds weekly. My advice is to figure out how many calories you can cut from your daily diet by first calculating the number of calories you should take in each day. Do this by searching online for a calorie calculator, then inputting your weight, height, age and activity level in order to calculate your recommended calorie intake. Each person is different, so it's best to get your own personalised number. Do not consume less than 1,200 calories a day. A diet that's too low in calories will put you at risk for nutrient deficiencies as you cannot eat enough food to meet your daily requirements for most vitamins, minerals and protein. Number 2, be aware that your weight is a balancing act. Calorie intake is only a part of the equation. Some diets may promise you that counting carbs or carbohydrates or eating a mountain of grapefruit will make the pounds drop off. But when it comes to weight loss, it's calories that count. My advice is to focus on quality calories from nutrient-rich foods. Weight loss comes down to burning more calories than you take in. You can do that by reducing extra calories from food and beverages and increasing calories burned through other activities. Is the advice I have given you here making sense to you? Leave a comment below the video. Now please don't go anywhere because I still have some more tips to work through with you and you don't want to miss them because they will help you. But if you want a complete program for weight loss, then make sure you click the link below the video and it will take you through to the website for the Bistro weight loss program. I recommend you take a look at the Bistro weight loss program because it will help you lose weight with a well-balanced meal plan. On the website, you have the opportunity to choose a plan that is right for you. Here are some more easy ways to lose weight without exercise. Number 3, design a weight loss meal plan for yourself. If you are not exercising to burn calories, you must trim them from your diet in order to lose weight. Writing out a meal plan can help you plot out all your meals and snacks and make sure they fit into your predetermined calorie range. In addition, my advice is to be sure to use strategies to help yourself feel more full. I recommend you spend some time writing out all your meals, snacks and beverages for a few days or even a week. Allot a certain calorie amount for each meal. For example, 300 calorie breakfast, 2 500 calorie bigger meals and 1 to 2 100 calorie snacks. This may help you choose what foods to eat for meals and snacks throughout the day. I recommend to include foods from all 5 food groups most days. My advice is to review your meal plan to make sure you're getting adequate amounts of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein and dairy. Having all your meals and snacks planned in advance may keep you from making poor nutrition choices when you're in a rush. My advice is to keep snacks conveniently located and ready in your fridge, car, backpack, purse or wallet. Is this advice here making sense to you? Please leave a comment below. Number 4, aim to eat a balanced diet. A diet that is calorie controlled and includes all 5 food groups is a good foundation for healthy weight loss. My advice is to follow these guidelines on most days. Fruits and vegetables. These foods are dense, filling, low calorie and low fat. Not only are fruits and veggies great for your waistline, They have copious amounts of vitamins, minerals, fibre and antioxidants that you need for long-term health. My advice is to aim to make 1 or 2 of your meals fruits or vegetables. Lean protein. Foods like poultry, eggs, pork, lean beef, legumes, dairy products and tofu are great sources of lean protein. Protein will help keep you satisfied longer and may curb hunger cravings. Aim to include 3 to 4 ounces of protein at each meal. This is about the size of a deck of cards. Foods that are whole grains are high in fibre and some vitamins and minerals. Quinoa, oats, brown rice, millet and 100% whole wheat pasta and bread are examples of whole grains to include in your diet. Now the next thing to do, make sure you click the link below the video and it will take you through to the website for the Bistro weight loss program. I recommend you take a look at the Bistro diet program because it will help you reach your weight loss goals. On the website you will have the opportunity to choose a plan that is right for you and your needs. So make sure you click the link below the video and go through to the website and have a look at the Bistro diet program because, as I say, this program will help you achieve success with weight loss. I recommend you take a look when you are ready. Just click the link below this video to find out more. Thank you so much for watching and please make sure you subscribe. Please do hit the like button and give the video a thumbs up. That shows me you enjoy the content. Can you please share this video with anyone you know who may find it helpful? Is there a specific video that you want me to create for you? Please let me know in the comments section below the video. Please join our Facebook community. You can find the Facebook link in the description below the video. Thank you very much for watching and supporting the channel and I wish you all the best on your weight loss journey. Have a great day. Thank you.